Hello and welcome to our first lesson in LaTeX. In this lesson, I'll be showing you how to make the most basic document. So, in terms of LaTeX, there are two parts that you need to know. The document class, and you have to literally begin and end the document. So, let's talk about the document class first. So this always comes first, and there are numerous different types. There's article, there's report, there's AMS proc, there's AMS book, there's SCR article, which is a coma script, not like COMA, it's KOMA. So let's choose article, and this is where it gets interesting. You have to begin the document, and then if you're using Text Studio, press enter and it'll put end document for you. If you're not using Text Studio, the bad thing is that you will need to type everything. There's no autofill, so let's type in some text and let's compile it. There we go. So, how do you make a title? Well, there's a couple of things that you can do. You can add a title by doing this. Let's say my sample article, and then you can also put in the date. And if you want a way to automatically get today's date, you type this in, and then you put the author. I'll just type my name, and then you click compile again. Hold on, there's nothing. There's nothing showing up. That's because we have to actually put a command called make title within the document. Now it should work. There you go. What happens if you put it in the preamble? The preamble is between here and begin document. So, what happens if you do that? There we go. It actually comes up with an error. So, it's saying that there isn't any document basically, which is quite hilarious, I think. But always put make title here. And if you're up for the challenge, you can actually make a title page by adding in a secondary argument in the document class. And if you put in some text, it will actually appear on this page here. You can also change the font size. The highest it can go up without any other packages is 12 points. And if you want like 14 point, 18 point, or even 20 point, I think, you can either put X article and then change it. Let's see if that works. It's been a while since I've used X article. And then An alternative is to use the package. Uh, Actually, first of all, if you want to use packages, you use package. I'm going to change the font to say bright, which is like Arial, but well, isn't like Arial. It's just like that type of font. Um, and I haven't changed it back on purpose because we'll see why. If you put in 14 or anything higher than 12 with article without any other ext packages, then it will actually default to 10. So I usually put 12, and let's add in, I don't know, let's put the margin equal to 1.5 centimeters. This is another package called geometry, which basically lets you set up the dimensions of the page. I think that should be us with that section. Speaking of sections, you can also add in sections like this. There's section, there's subsection, there's even subsection. But the real fun actually isn't fun at all, but yeah, it is actually. um, okay, so section, first section, and for this we will change it up a little. Put the section first, and let's try adding in a subsection. Subsection A. I wonder if lipsim is working. No, it isn't. Hold on. I'll try putting lipsim in. Let's 1 to 3. I haven't used this command before, I'm just testing it out. Okay. Um, I'll also add in the second subsection. Let's put 5 to 6 just to change it up a little. Hopefully it has 6. So it's all in. Oh. Some words in Latin are a bit. You get the idea. You really get the idea now. Let's add an equation. This is a way beyond this video, so if you want to learn how to make equations and put equations in, check out a future video which I'll be doing. Let's put in, for example, 2x, no actually, mx plus c equals 0. No, y equals mx plus c. That's an equation of a line. And the equation. And there's an equation. Let's. Okay, so we're done with this video. Hope you enjoyed, and in the next video we will be doing basic maths mode. I'll see you then.